Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Adab.
And a very warm welcome to everyone to this beautiful event this year.
I, Priyal, along with
Yash welcomes you to Humanitarian Excellence Award 2020.
pleasure to announce the second edition of the most prestigious social award of the year, Humanitarian Excellence Awards 2020. HEA is a distinguished gesture to honor those phenomenal humanitarians whose heart-wrenching stories are etched inside every individual's mind across the world. Many humanitarians who have made significant achievements to the society through their hard work and dedication have also been recognized for their efforts.
This year, HEA is highly competitive as we select the most suitable candidate from those who demonstrate the ideals of true humanitarians, individuals who are compassionate in doing and improving the lives of others and human welfare overall.
For the year 2020, HEA invites only 51 selected awardees to award ceremony, which includes 20 males, 20 females, and 11 NGOs.
Select the most suitable candidate from those who demonstrate the ideals of true humanitarians, individuals who are compassionate in doing and improving the lives of others and human welfare overall.
51 selected awardees to award ceremony, which includes 20 males, 20 females, and 11 NGOs.
This grand award ceremony is organized by ICANN Foundation India every year, effectively
know.
working for children and women belonging to poor and marginalized community, founded by Mr. Gaurav Gautam with the mission to build a great nation by eradicating poverty and ignorance, which is the main problem that poses a great threat to the upliftment of this country.
Since its inception, ICANN Foundation has been focusing on education, women empowerment, menstrual awareness, and disaster relief creation in 6 states of India. Our overall goal is the empowerment of girls and women from poor and less privileged communities, thereby improving their lives and livelihoods. It's time to welcome our chief guest for the event, Honorable Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha, Shri Pradeep Tamtaji.
फाउंडेशन जिसके संस्थापक अध्यक्ष गौरव गौतम जी हैं, इज ए यंग मैन, इंजीनियरिंग के स्टूडेंट भी रहे हैं। उनके द्वारा राजस्थान के जयपुर से इस एनजीओ का कार्य चल रहा है, जो देश के अंदर विशेषकर शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में जो वंचित वर्ग के शिक्षक हैं उनकी शिक्षा को बढ़ावा देने के लिए और महिलाओं के सशक्तिकरण के लिए जो प्रयासरत है उस क्षेत्र में भी काम कर रहे हैं। विशेषकर जो इन क्षेत्रों में वंचित वर्गों के, स्ट्रीट चिल्ड्रंस के, महिलाओं के एम्पावरमेंट में काम कर रहे हैं, उन सबको ये फैसिलिटेट कर रहे हैं। इस संदर्भ में इस वर्ष का 20 दिसंबर को होटल ली मेरिडियन में देश के विभिन्न अंचलों में जो लगभग 40-50 प्रतिभागी संस्थाओं को एक्सलेंस के लिए सम्मानित भी करना चाह रहे थे। मुझे उस कार्यक्रम में मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में भी आना था, लेकिन कोविड के कारण दिल्ली में कोविड की संक्रमण ज़्यादा बढ़ा, इसलिए वर्चुअल माध्यम से इस बार वो कार्यक्रम हो रहा है। मुझे भी बड़ा दुख है, लेकिन सारे देश के अवार्डी लोगों को, कमज़ोरों के लिए, शिक्षित काम करने वालों के लोग से खुद व्यक्तिगत रूप से रूबरू होने का मुझे भी मौका मिलता। मैं उन तमाम साथियों को जिसको इस अवार्ड के लिए चुना गया है, उन सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई भी देता हूँ, शुभकामनाएं भी देता हूँ। और वो आगे भी इस क्षेत्र में ज़रूरत है। इस समय आप ईश्वर की सबसे बड़ी नियामत है, गरीबों के लिए, कमज़ोरों के लिए काम करना। उस क्षेत्र में काम कर रहे हैं। मैं तमाम प्रतिभागियों को बहुत बहुत बधाई भी देता हूँ। और आईकैन फाउंडेशन को, नाम भी है आईकैन, हम सब कर सकते हैं। आईकैन फाउंडेशन के गौरव गौतम जी को भी बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ।
And everything you see now, the one who took initiative for the upliftment of our society, Mr. Gaurav Gautam, founder and national president, ICANN Foundation India, CEO, Highpage Media.
He who has been working day and night, restless, to put a smile on the faces of the people, those in need. I would request him to please share a few words with our audience.
Hello everyone. I'm delighted to welcome you to the second edition of Humanitarian Excellence Award. First of all, I would like to thank Chief Guest Honorable Shri Pradeep Tamtaji, Member of Parliament Rajya Sabha, for your presence at this prestigious award ceremony of Humanitarian Excellence Award, and for delivering such an inspiring speech and for giving motivation to our awardees and nominees. We really appreciate you taking out time for us from your busy schedule or in this pandemic situation. It's always been our pleasure to have you with us, and we look forward to seeing you again for this upcoming event. This is the time we all are waiting for, but unfortunately, not like this. Tonight, we are gathering virtually across the world to honor 51 humanitarians of the year. As we continue to confront all the uncertainties due to the COVID-19 and the changes we must embrace in ensuring the protection and safety of the less privileged people around us. It has forced us to change our tradition of formatting our humanitarian recognition program, HEA, every year presented by Icahn Foundation on the occasion of World Humanitarian Day, as a means of honoring and supporting grassroots heroes of humanity and inspiring the rest to take actions. Nevertheless, we look beyond to recognize and tremendous effort of people's growth, development, prosperity, and excellence achieved by you people. Again, I congratulate all the selected awardees and all the nominees to participate in the prestigious award ceremony. Thank you.
I'd like to thank Gaurav sir for his words, and I wish him to continue working with the same energy and enthusiasm as he does. Now, without any further ado, let's begin with the nominations of Humanitarian Excellence Awards 2020.
Amongst all the nominations that we received this year, we have selected the top 51 humanitarians, that includes 20 male categories, 20 female categories, and 11 organizations. Plus, we have also included a special Lifetime Achievement Award of the Year this time that we'll see. And let's start with the nominations of female category, and the nominations are
Sarita Yogi,
योगी है। मैं नाथ संस्कृति सेवा संस्थान की सचिव राजस्थान जयपुर आमेर से हूँ। मैं असहाय विकलांग और अनाथ बच्चे बच्चियों के लिए कार्य करती हूँ। कोविड को देखते हुए मैं राशन ग्रोसरी किट वितरण का कार्यक्रम कर रही हूँ। आगामी जो मेरा सपना है वो ऑर्फनेज बनाने का है, जिससे मैं असहाय विकलांग अनाथ बच्चों को आत्मस्वाभिमान का जीवन दे सकूँ। और मैं आइकन फाउंडेशन का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी कि उन्होंने मानवता की सेवा करने वाले लोगों को चुना और उन्हें एक मंच साझा किया, और जो इतना सम्मान दिया है उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
And we encourage you to maintain good hygiene and stay safe with your family and friends.